The Wolf and the Kids. Once upon a time, Mother Goat said to her kids,
"I have to go out. Don't open the door. The wolf could eat you up."
Mother Goat went off. Then the wolf came to the door. "Open up, kids," he called. "I am your mother." The kids looked under the door. They saw his big black feet.
"No!
You are not Mother!" they said. "She has not got black feet." So the wolf went to the mill. He put flour on his feet. "Now I will go to the house of the little kids," he said. "Open up, kids," called the wolf. "I am your mother." The kids looked under the door. They saw his white feet. It is Mother, they said.
"I will open the door,"
said a little kid. But it was not Mother. It was the wolf. "Help!" said the little kids, and they ran here and there. The wolf looked for the kids. He looked under the table. There was a little kid. "Now I have got you," said the wolf, and he put the kid in his sack. The wolf looked in the clock. There was a little kid. "Now I've got you," said the wolf, and he put the kid in his sack. The wolf looked up the chimney. There was a little kid. "Now I've got you," said the wolf, and he put the kid in his sack. Just then, Mother Goat came home. She saw the big wolf, but she could not see the kids. She ran at the wolf. "Help!" said the wolf, and he ran off. The little kids got out of the sack. "We are happy you came home," said the little kids.
"So am I,"
said Mother Goat.